Okay, it's recording.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Alright, hey, what's up? This is Larry, your neighborhood mechanic, your favorite guy. I'm going to take you in here to see this bad problem, this wire. This green stuff you see there, that's the power wire. And it's supposed to be copper in there, not green corrosion. And the starter is not new, as you can see. But that green wire, let me see if I can focus in on it. That's the main power wire. And the starter is acting like it has a bad connection. Almost like the battery connection's loose. But the starter wire is corroded through and through. Needs to be replaced. And this will leave you stranded very soon. And I know that you're not watching this video for kicks and giggles, but while I was in here, I seen that the manifold was cracked, the exhaust manifold, and even though you didn't call me out here for that, I still see it and I wanted to let you know. So I'm going to zoom in on the cracked exhaust manifold. It looks like a fresh crack. Alright, you see this crack? It's a big crack. I'm zoomed in on it. I'm zooming on it more and more. Alright, the only thing we're looking at right now is a crack. I'm going to zoom out, and then you're going to see that that's the exhaust manifold, and it's cracked. And it's least of your worries, but just still, it's broken, and I want you to see it. So I'm stopping the video, and I'll send